Hello friends, this is Malhar and you are watching DM Talks. So let's start. Our today's topic is we are going to discuss on switch case in C. So please stay tuned with this video. Our today's table of content is we are going to see the syntax of switch and the set of rules in which switch cases is used. And we are going to see one small program on switch and we are going to see the use of break statement in a switch case which we are doing in our programs. So please stay tuned with this video and watch this video till the end so that you can get clear with your concepts with switch. So let's start. So let's start with our first topic, syntax of switch statement. Switch is a statement which is multi-level branch statement. It provides an easy way to dispatch the execution of different types of code based on the values of the expression. So let us see the syntax of switch statement. In switch statement, the first keyword we are going to write is switch, in which there is n number of constant expressions. In switch statement, there is different cases and you can take n number of cases as per your program or your code or your project. Here we have taken two cases and one default case. There is a first case in which there is if n equal to 1 then break. Then second case if n equal to 2 then break, and after at last we have written default statement. So here are some valid and invalid expressions of switch in which we are going to see which are valid and which are invalid and why it is so. In first valid statement, in switch we can only write on n constant expressions. Suppose we have taken an integer a, it has some value, then it is going to be returned as an argument in switch. While if a is not assigned any value, then we cannot write it in as an argument in a switch case. So let us see some more examples. In switch there is a default class which is optional. It is not necessary to write a default class in your program. Without writing a default class, you can make or you can run your program. Duplicate cases are not allowed. Nested switch is possible in C, so we can do nesting switch in one state switch statement. So let us see one code related to switch statement. So please stay tuned with this video. So let us now write one program on switch statement. So first of all, open your IDE code blocks. In our IDE, let us save our program with any name, and here .c is the extension of C, so we have to save our program with a name and followed by its extension as .c. So here I have written some code in which it has include str.h void main integer a, and if we have a printf statement, by that we can take a value of a from user. So now let us write a switch case. For switch case we have a switch keyword in which it has a constant expression. Now in the switch case we are going to write some of the following cases. So let us see. Now here I am going to write a break statement which has a printf case. After that it has case number 5, case number 6, in case number 7. Which is followed by same printf in break. And now we are going to write a default statement. In which we have to write enter the valid case number. So let us check our code. Build again. So we have no error. Then run. So we have to enter the case number. Let us enter 1. Then it is showing our case 4. Now let us run again. Let us write case 5. It is showing case 6. Now let us write any other number. It is telling enter the valid case number. So here what function it is going to do? Here we have formed the above 3 case, and after that we have a break statement. In 4th, here we have a 3 case, and in 7th case we have a break statement, and then we have a default statement. So first we going to study the use of break statement, and then we are going to understand that why it is giving that enter the valid case number. Here we have written a default case because if user going to enter any other value, suppose you have made one menu in which it has a list of 6 items and user want in type 7, then it must get the invalid case number. So you have to go through it. So let us first understand the use of break statement. So break statement. As the name suggests, break statement in C++ do the same work as a break do in our real life. Break means to break something. Here we can write break statement into 2 segments. First we can write it into the loops, or we can write it directly in the switch case. For loops, when we write a break statement in a for loop or in a nested for loop, then it will break the loop of inner for loop and it will directly jump to the outer for loop. And when we write a break in a switch case, as we have seen earlier, we have 3 cases, first 3, and in 4th we have written break. So up to the switch case, when it is not getting break, the loop will be flow, and when it encounters break, the control flow is directly gone out of the switch case. So this is the use of break statement. So अब हम हमारा वीडियो कंक्लूड करते हैं. अगर आपको कोई डाउट हो या सलाह सूचन हो तो प्लीज हमें कमेंट सेक्शन में बताएं, और प्लीज लाइक द वीडियो, शेयर द वीडियो एंड सब्सक्राइब DM Talks for more information. थैंक यू. जय हिंद. वंदे मातरम.